Watch how I pull up in the scene. Chasing dreams faster than a Rory. Tied up pulling strings and making enemies.
Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, I'm back, guys. I am back with another live cup for you guys. And yes, today is the day. It is finally a good Supreme drop, and it's been a while. I know last week I said it wasn't too bad, but it still wasn't really the best that it could be. But today is tea week. Some of the teas are actually not too bad. The Motion logo is actually dropping today, so it's really dope. It's really dope. Probably not gonna go for it because it's gonna sell out crazy fast, but we're gonna try maybe. I have a slot that's being run by somebody right now because I just know I'm probably not gonna be able to get it. So it is what it is, but also there's like a lot of other teas that I feel like are really dope. I like the lizard tea. I'm probably gonna have that as a personal because it just looks so cool. I might get the Anno Domini tea. I think it looks pretty sick as well. It's just like Supreme and it has a little bunch of writing in it. Not too bad, not too crazy. The shorts actually look really good. They're just kind of expensive. Probably not gonna go for it, but I was gonna originally go for a blanket as well, but the blanket is a little bit pricey, running at 108, I believe. So that's not gonna get copped. There's like the split tea, there's the marble tea, the social tea, pitbull tea, the javelin tea. I'm actually really excited for today. I can't wait to just cop any of these. It's pretty much it though. I'm not really looking forward to anything else. But yeah, and there's also the umbrella. The umbrella is actually really cool. I don't know how well it's gonna do. It's transparent, it's checkered. I think that's about it. I think it's running at $58 as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it, but we'll see. I think that would be an item to resell within the winter time when it rains. So that's a quick sell or a long hold. So yeah, and that's basically this week. We're going for teas. And also I'd like to thank my sponsor, UFO Notify. If you guys haven't heard already, it's a Discord group that I'm in, a cook group. Really dope. They got a lot of monitors set up so you will never miss a restock. Also, they have good one-on-one support as well. Great people to vibe with. And you can sign up for SMS text. If you don't want to be on Discord and you just get text and notifications saying that the item is restocked without even being on Discord. So go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description down below to their Twitter that leads to the Discord. If you use code Mike, you get 1 month for free. So check them out. Yeah, we got 14 minutes, so let's get ready for this drop and hopefully I catch a W. Alright. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm ready. I'm nervous. It's tea week. Everybody's gonna be fucking copping teas, of course. And probably gonna undercut it, just like probably I am. So just started. Let's go get this started, y'all. Slowing in really slow. Supreme, I'm gonna need you to not do this to me right now. Okay, Supreme, please, please, please. What are you doing? What are you doing, Supreme? What are you doing? Okay, there we go. We're in. Shit. Oh my god, this shit's slow, bro. Oh my god. Okay, yep, we're not going for that. Fuck Mogos. Fuck Mogos. Let me see, I'm gonna cart the umbrella. Y'all, no, we're not going for Mogos. I tried to attempt once, not gonna happen again. I'm just like, you know what? Nope, we're not going for Mogos. Yo, we're not going for that. Fuck that. Fuck that noise. It's processing, it's processing. Why is the teas loading up so slow? Wait. Yo, I just did a big dumb. I accidentally backed out of my checkout spot. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking KMS, bro. Bro, I could have really got a fucking umbrella, but I did it. Stupid. Oh my god. Bro, the t-shirt page is loading up hella fucking slow. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna see if I got charged or not. Yo, I really fucking backed out of the fucking checkout page. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill. I'm gonna eat myself. I'm gonna fucking eat myself somewhere. Bro, why is the load up page hella slow? Supreme, what is happening? Are you okay? Are you like actually normal? And I didn't even get charged. Well, GG guys, GG. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, stuff is starting to load up now. Oh my god. Supreme, are you okay? Are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Alright. Red medium. I'm about to say, if that shit sold out, bro. Being sold out. Yo, I'm really upset right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty salty right now. What looks good? Get black, fuck it. Yo, we're just gonna go for a 4 clip because, oh my god, I'm so mad at myself, bro. I'm so mad at myself right now. I backed out of the fucking check page on accident. I could have got an umbrella, bro. I could have gotten the umbrella. What the fuck is actually wrong with me? Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking. Oh my god, bro. I'm fucking pissed, bro. I could have got the umbrella, bro. It was on the processing load up screen. I could have gotten it. Did not get it because I'm a big dumb. And I don't know how to cop Supreme apparently. It's not like I've been copping it for 2 years. Fucking shit's going fucking crazy right now. Oh my god.
One eternity later.
Now I'm on 2 checkout pages. Oh my god, this shit's taking fucking forever, dude. Bro, there's 2 fucking pages. I hope I don't get card declined. I hope I don't get fucking banned from the website. I just want my shit. I just want my shit, bro. Woo. Guys, we got it. We fucking got it. Cool, so we have Pitbull, you get the Enodemini, Red Lizard Tea, and a Social Tea Black. Nice. Okay, so we entered a 4 clip. Pretty much bricks, not gonna lie. That's what I was trying to go for technically. Wasn't really going for a whole bunch of resale. Most of it's gonna be resold though. The Red Lizard Tea, that's for me. I don't have a red tee. Well, I do have a red t-shirt, not a graphic one, so that's gonna be worn during the summer. Can't wait to wear it. But fucking I got nervous, y'all. I got nervous. I know it's like super anticlimactic. Fucking I was just checking my phone to make sure everything was okay. Bro, fuck. Everything was not okay. I'm just mad as fuck. I could have gotten an umbrella, y'all. You saw that shit. You saw that shit load up, bro. I could have gotten an umbrella, bro. Mad as fuck. Cause that shit in the wintertime is gonna resell for at least, I'd say $100 worth of profit. So let's see what's here. What's here? Still got the red in here. Some of it's restocking too, I can see. Let's see if I can score a red motion logo. Red one's sitting, so. Red one's definitely sitting, so hopefully, maybe I can cop it. I don't know. What the heck? That's weird. It's doing a weird glitch to where it says it's not even crossed out. So what the fuck? Yep, the umbrella's gone, bro. I really could have gotten the umbrella, bro. Alright, there's the long sleeves. I'm most likely not getting that. A split tee. It says the Motion Logo Red is not in stock for some weird reason. And I can add it to my cart. That's weird. The thing is fucking blowing up right now with restocks. Let's see. Oh, I didn't get the marble tee. That's what I was forgetting. I was thinking of. I was all like, what am I forgetting? Damn. Totally forgot about the marble tee. That tee was actually pretty good. Cool. Yep. No, they're all gone. Disappointing. Yep, but that's apparently it because everything else is sold out. So, looks like we got a 4 clip on tees, guys. I'd first like to thank my sponsor for sponsoring this video, UFO Notify. If you guys haven't heard from earlier, make sure you guys go check them out. Use code Mike, get a month for free. Also, man, I mean, we got a 4 clip. We didn't get the Mogo, obviously, because, you know, I probably shouldn't have gone for it anyway because this shit was going to sell out fast and then the website was bad. Took forever to process that payment, but we got it. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go subscribe to me if you want more content like this. Make sure you go above the like if you guys ended up getting the things that you wanted. And ring the bell to get notified whenever I do come out with the video. So, I will see you guys next time in the future. Hopefully, it will be a better week. Deuces.